Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring power and permissions so the app can talk to the earbuds. Open the companion app, sign in, and grant location access. This lets the device report its last known position. Once done, put earbuds in pairing or location mode per the brand's short press sequence, because the tracker requires active tracking signals. Make sure Bluetooth and background app refresh are allowed on your phone so periodic pings continue until you locate them. Now you move from map to motion. Check the app's last seen location, then trigger play sound or enable the proximity meter to narrow down the area. Walk towards stronger signal readings and listen for the audible cue. Sound is fastest indoors while the map helps outdoors. If your app shows distance, pause frequently and rescan. Walls and pockets distort signals, so alternating scanning and movement helps you triangulate the exact spot. After you find the earbuds, check they reconnect and charge. This prevents repeat losses. Mark them as found in the app so it stops sending alerts, and run a quick audio test to confirm left and right functionality. If you can't find them, revisit the last known location timestamp and try again with fresh phone location permissions. Low battery often causes lost signals, so prioritize charging the case before searching again as a key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.